Now let us have a look at liver fluke Fasciola hepatica. Disease caused fasciolasis, a liver rot, wherein the liver tissue gets degenerated. It is a hermaphrodite. The development is indirect in this one, and it has many larval stages which we are going to see. These larval stages are important. It is an endoparasite. It has two hosts. It's digenetic. Primary host. The primary host is sheep or goat, in which sexual reproduction takes place. And the secondary host is the freshwater snail belonging to the genus Limnea. The adult fluke lives in bile ducts. Human beings may become accidental hosts if they feed on freshwater vegetation. Humans become accidental hosts if they consume infested aquatic vegetation. They feed on blood, lymph and blood cells. Anaerobic, this is the diagram from NCERT. There are two suckers here. One is called the oral sucker, one is called the ventral sucker. Oral sucker is meant for feeding and ventral sucker is meant for attachment. Ventral sucker is also called as acetabulum. Next, life cycle. Life cycle involves egg, miracidium, sporocyst, radia, cercaria, metacercaria and adult fluke. So this is its life cycle from the egg till the adult fluke. You can see that there are several larval stages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 larval stages. Until the adult fluke stage is reached, we will be looking at each one of these larval stages in some detail. First of all, the eggs are said to be operculated. Operculated meaning they are said to have an opening, operculum. Operculum is opening like a lid which can be opened and closed. They are said to be operculated. They are released with feces. These eggs hatch in water and form the miracidium larva. Next we talk about the miracidium. The miracidium larva has been asked in AIIMS exam many a times. This is a ciliated larva. It's a ciliated free swimming larva. It's short-lived. This is the one that infects a Limnea snail. Then inside the snail it will form the other larval stages. Sporocyst. This one is formed inside the snail. It is a sac-like stage. It is said to be the first sexual stage. Then the radia larva is formed. This one develops inside sporocyst. This one has a simple gut. This produces the next larva, that is cercaria. Then the cercaria is important. It looks something like this, like a tadpole sort of. This one is known for its forked tail. It's a tailed larva. This one leaves the snail. It's free swimming in water. So free swimming larvae are cercaria and miracidium, as you can see. And the cercaria will then go to the vegetation, etc. in water, and then it will form the metacercaria larva. This one is infective to humans or sheep or goat, whoever feeds on this vegetation. There is no tail here. It enters human or sheep when infested vegetation is eaten. Once it is eaten, it cysts, means it will come out of its cysts in small intestine, migrate to liver, migrates to the bile ducts and mature to adult in the bile ducts. And then it will start rotting the liver. And the disease that it causes, that is fasciolasis, liver rot, it will cause jaundice. It will cause an increase in the levels of eosinophils, a disease called as eosinophilia. Eosinophilia usually happens during parasitic infections like this one. So jaundice and eosinophilia will happen in fasciolasis as the symptoms. So with that we have completed with Phylum Platyhelminthes.
In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe.